Hi there, Ash from Nomisma here, and in this short video, I'll be showing you how our marketing assets library works on the Nomisma website. So, from the homepage, nomisma.co.uk, you can go up to Resources and then select Marketing Assets. And from here, you'll actually be able to scroll down and filter to the different types of assets you may like to use. So we've got blogs, Facebook ads, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, some of these you could probably use on some other platforms. For example, ones in Facebook, you can probably use for Facebook ads. However, the idea here is if you wanted to post on LinkedIn, you can go to the LinkedIn assets and you get some inspirational posts here. So the wonderful Chloe Fox has gone ahead and given you a title and a description as to what you may use this type of post for. As you can see, there are many different types. And with these different types of posts, you would be able to select the one you want to use and then go ahead and use template. That will then take you to this page where you'll be able to use this template and it will guide you around what you can do with this template. So we can type in different text and you can drop your logo in here. So this is actually using a tool called Canva, which is a free to use tool, but if you really like it and you want some of the pro features, you can upgrade. However, what you can do here is just simply type in exactly what you would want to type. So bookkeeping or cloud accounting, or even MTD ready. Let us help you get ready for MTD and take the pain away. Okay, so that could be your example social post, and then you can drop your logo in. Let's see if I've got a logo here, and then delete the old one. And then once you've got that, share, download, and you'll be able to download that image, which will then be ready to share directly to the social platform of your choice. I hope you found this useful. If you do have any questions or queries, as always, if you have any suggestions for us, please do send them our way. We're always all ears. You can get in touch with us on 020-3021-2326 or via email on support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.